Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and let's do Pilates Ice Skater.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
All right, so one of my favorite and also one of the most complicated staying exercises has to be this ice skater. And it is just delicious and fun. And also, like, holy moly, you start to go, what's my right? What's my left? And so you'll notice I don't say right and left. I say front and back a lot. Okay. So this particular exercise really is going to take your saw up 7 levels. And also, if you have been doing crab, you're gonna be so grateful because you're gonna need that stretch in your hip to get into this. I'm gonna actually do this starting from a turnaround position so that you see what's happening from the camera. So you will stand with your feet wider than your hips, arms out to the side, and you're gonna lift them to the balls of your feet, and you are going to spin around. Boom, all the way, 180, right? Then I'm gonna bend the front leg while reaching the back leg straight, and both of my hands reach for this back leg. I get a big stretch in my lower back. Then I'm going to lift up using my center onto the balls of my feet, unwind, and then twist the other way and reach and lift. Woo! And sometimes you lose your balance, and that's okay. And you just keep going. And it's quite delicious because it's a stretchy, round, strength exercise that really does give your lower back the stretch that it needs. That being said, if saw is hard for you, if side kicks are hard for you, if rounding is hard for you, make sure you do the building blocks of your mat, right? When I created this mat flashcard deck for OPC, I wanted to make sure that there was exercises for everybody at some place in their practice. And there are going to be some exercises that you're like, holy moly, I can't do that yet. And that's true. Maybe you have to do some of the other stuff on the floor to build up to this one, but give yourself permission to be in process. That is my goal for you. Practice over perfection always. That's what we also do at OnlinePilatesClasses.com. So if you need that reminder to take care of yourself, to be curious in your practice, to nerd out over, try to perfect, then join us at OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.